Which one is better for data storage and analysis, CSV or Excel file format?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into a common debate in the world of data storage and analysis. Which is better, CSV or Excel file format? These two formats are often used when working with data, but which one should you choose for your particular needs? Let's dig into this to help you make an informed decision.
What are CSV and Excel formats?
First, let's quickly define these two formats. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a file format that stores tabular data in plain text. Each line in a CSV file corresponds to a row in the table, and commas separate the values or fields in each row. Excel, on the other hand, is a file format created by Microsoft and is usually saved with .xls or XLSX extensions. It's a binary file that holds information about all the worksheets in a workbook, including both content and formatting, as well as additional features like charts and images.
When to use CSV?
CSV files are simple and universal. They can be read by virtually any software, and they're often used for data transfer between applications that support different formats. Their simplicity makes them a good choice for large datasets where you don't need special formatting or features. However, CSV files don't handle complex structures very well. For instance, they don't support multiple sheets, and they can't store visual data like images or charts.
When to use Excel?
Excel files are more feature-rich. They can handle complex data structures, support multiple sheets, and can store additional elements such as images, charts, and pivot tables. Excel files also allow for extensive data formatting and conditional formatting, which can be useful for making data easier to read and understand. But there are some drawbacks. Excel files are larger, and the extra features can make them slower to load and process. They're also not as universally accessible as CSV files, and can sometimes have compatibility issues with non-Microsoft software.
Which is better for data analysis?
When it comes to data analysis, your choice between CSV and Excel might depend on the size and complexity of your data, as well as the software you're using. If you're working with large datasets and using specialized statistical software, CSV might be the way to go. It's lightweight and widely supported. On the other hand, if your data analysis involves a lot of visual elements, or if you're using software that doesn't support CSV, Excel might be a better choice. It's also more user-friendly for those who are less familiar with programming or statistical software. In conclusion, whether you should use CSV or Excel largely depends on your specific needs. CSV is a good choice for simplicity and versatility, while Excel offers more features and options for complex data and visualizations. It's a good idea to become familiar with both formats, so you can choose the best one for each task. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the differences between these two popular data file formats. Until next time, keep exploring the world of data.